Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our first paycheck in May and going over our second paycheck. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. So fam, disclaimer, we are going through some personal family things and I do have my phone on, so I may have to step away and take a call. So you'll probably hear my phone dinging and maybe ringing. So let's get started and let's see how we did. Let me brighten this up a little bit. So that you can see a little bit better. So in our paycheck from May the 3rd through the 9th, in the expense category, we budgeted $960 for our mortgage, $120.99 for our homeowner's warranty, $58.42 for our Med subscription, $48 for our gym fee, and $5.39 for our my Kindle Unlimited. That came up to $1,192.80. In our actual category, we paid $960 toward our mortgage, $120.99 toward our homeowner's warranty. I have not ordered my meds yet, but I am going to have my husband do that tonight. So we did not spend the $58.42, however, that will come out tonight. $48 for our gym fee, and for my Kindle Unlimited, I just noticed that it didn't come out, so I went to check, and I am paying every 3 months, so that did not come out for $5.39. It will come out in June, I believe, and in June it'll be $11 and I want to say 99 cents plus tax, because I am paying for it by every 3 months. So that left a difference of $5.39. That came up to a total of $1,128.99, which was a difference of $63.81. In our extras, we budgeted $200 for our extra payment, $200 for rollover, and $100 for our car registration. That came up to $500. In our actual category, that is exactly what we spent. And $135 for our challenges. That came up to $1,240. And in our actual category, we spent $490 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $40, $575 in our sinking funds, and $135 in our savings challenges. That came up to $1,200, which was a difference of $40. In our income versus our expenses, we estimated our income to be $3,016.45, minus the expenses of $1,192.80, minus the extras of $500, minus the cash envelopes of $530, minus the sinking funds of $575, and minus the savings challenge of $135. That left a remainder of $83.65. In our actual category, our income was $3,016.45, minus the expenses of $1,128.99, which was a difference of $63.81, minus the extras of $500, minus the cash envelopes of $490, which was a difference of $40, minus the sinking funds of $575, and minus the savings challenge of $135. That left a remainder of $187.46, which was a total savings of $103.81. For our paycheck from May the 10th through the 16th, in our expense category, we budgeted our chiropractor at $179.78, car insurance at $165.51, Google Fiber at $71.40, Terminex at $28, Netflix at $25.06, Amazon Prime at $16.19, and our Audible at $16.15. That came up to a total of $502.09. In our extras, we budgeted $50 for our backup fund. And in our cash envelopes, we budgeted $490, $350 in our sinking funds, and $60 in our savings challenges. That came up to $900. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,572.35, minus the expenses of $502.09, minus the extra of $50, minus the cash envelopes of $490, minus the sinking fund of $350, and minus the savings challenge of $60. That left a remainder of $120.26. So fam, as you can tell, we did have quite a bit of money left over. However, we did order the med subscription, which came to $58 and some change. So that took it down a little bit, and the rest will be rolled over into our buffer. But if you've enjoyed this video, fam, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.